Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio device in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLA. So first thing we do is we make sure Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. On this system, you can either click the star there and turn to telephone, or you just click telephone there and it brings it up. You see there, no Bluetooth phone authorized, connect device. So if it's not on connect device, just turn the rotary control till it's highlighted, click connect device, connect new device, connect via vehicle. It's already showing up Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth there, so I'll click on that. It's found Barry's iPhone 13 Pro there, click on that, connect as new main phone, connect. Waiting for passkey, do the passkeys match, 848090, yes, so pair. That's it connected. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. And it's showing there, Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected.